In this video, I'm going to crochet 2 to 4 months old hat size, but I'm going to give you an instructions for all size, which is very much easy to achieve. So I'm using medium weight yarn in this project plus 3.5mm hook, preferably a soft yarn for the baby. Make a number of chain and wrap it around the head of the size that you want to make. I have here a chain of 73 and then I wrap it around the head. And this is about 73 chain in total, equal to 47 centimeter long. Then I'm gonna make a single crochet. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. Insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. That is our first single crochet. 1 single crochet per chain until the last chain. I'm here in my last chain. I'm gonna place the last single crochet there. And this is how it look like with your work in the second row. Round 3, chain 1, and then turn. Insert your hook in the very first chain here. Yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. And 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and just place 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. I am here in my last stitch, placing 1 single crochet. Chain 1, turn, and repeat round 3, placing 1 single crochet per stitches. Repeat round 3 until you get the length you want. I thought I'm still filming after this row here. After 1 single crochet rows, I made around 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. I repeated that until the last stitch, and I repeat that row one more time, and then I made 3 rows of 1 single crochet per stitches again. And that is about 16 centimeter long. Now once you're done, I'm just gonna close this row. I'm gonna close this part once you're done. You can use a needle to close this one, but for me I'm just gonna use the hook. So I'm gonna make a slip stitch to close it. It's up to you how you want to close it. So for me, I'm just gonna use like that until here. And this is gonna be my last point. I'm gonna just chain 1 and I'm gonna pull this part here, pull and cut the yarn, and just got enough yarn to close this part here. I'm gonna just insert this hook here. I'm gonna make it every 3 stitches, every 3rd stitches, all the way around. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3, all the way around. Once you're done, cut the yarn and just close this hole here like that, and secure the stitch. And cut the yarn once you're done, which I did already. And then turn it on the other side. This is how it look like. Now I'm gonna add a pom-pom on the top. It's very cute. This is how it look like, and this is where we connected. If you like to add a flower, which I actually like to add here, I would like to have this color to match the other piece that I made. So attach a flower if you like, it's up to you. So I'm just gonna place this at the back and it's gonna be in the front. And this is how it looks like. It's very beautiful. Oh, I really love how it turned out, especially with the pom-pom, but you can do it also without this one. It's really up to you. And this is how it looks like in this project, which is really nice and cute, super easy. You can make different colors and even a partner head for this project. It's really nice and super cute. It's up to you if you want to use a pom-pom or not, but with the pom-pom it's even much cuter. So that's it. See you. Bye.